I stumbled upon something yesterday that left me in disbelief. Take a look at this video, folks. Would you believe that this is an AI-generated video and it's not from OpenAI's SORA text-to-video generator? Yes, this is called Kling, a brand new text-to-video model by a Chinese company. It's incredibly good and poses serious competition to SORA. It could easily be the second best, if not the best, AI video generation model we've seen yet. It seems to go toe-to-toe with SORA, and I didn't expect to see something this impressive so soon. Here are the first generated clips. It's a young child wearing glasses, biting down on a Big Mac or a similar tasty burger. The video is very realistic. You can barely tell, and I mean barely, that it was AI generated. Generating videos of people eating is particularly challenging for these video generator models in general, so this is shocking to see. Not only that, but all of his fingers are correct. It's very consistent with the background and his clothes. There is no major warping. His mouth is clean, and then when he bites into the burger, it suddenly gets really dirty. The video is of extremely high quality. Like I said, this is top-notch stuff, almost unbelievable, and the demos just keep on coming in. In this one, we have a delightful corgi strolling on the beach. You can observe that the sand appears incredibly realistic, with waves crashing and rolling in the background. The corgi is walking in a rather slow manner, which is typical for AI video generators, including SORA. That's why I say this model doesn't necessarily look better than SORA, but it certainly isn't worse. The main point here is that someone else has at least caught up to OpenAI by now, and in a matter of only a few months. The corgi is also wearing sunglasses, which is unique. That's not something that would often be in the training data, so it's making novel connections between the sunglasses, the corgi, the beach, and how the corgi is supposed to be walking with his fur, the lighting, and everything else. I mean, it looks fantastic. This is not an easy prompt for any of these AI video generators. My excitement and amazement continue with another extremely impressive example. We have this incredibly realistic video of a man eating noodles. It's almost impossible to discern that it's AI generated. If you look closely at the noodles, you might notice something that's not exactly natural. However, the way the hand brings the noodles to the mouth and how he eats them looks incredibly authentic. It's just astounding. I don't believe SORA could produce a noodle eating video this good. I don't. Of course, that's all speculation. We don't know for sure, but this model is incredibly competitive. Here, we have a delightful scene of a bunny reading a newspaper. It appears very realistic. Interestingly, the bunny is wearing glasses in a human-like manner, which is not something you'd typically find in the training data. The coffee is steaming in a simple yet appealing way. It almost looks like a scene from a movie. It's genuinely astonishing. Again, this is the kind of content that's likely in the training data, and the stuff that is in the training data seems to be executed quite perfectly. You wouldn't really be able to tell that this is AI generated. These other example videos are simply astonishing. Here's one of a little boy riding a bike. It's quite challenging to get the feet moving with the pedals and everything. Then it starts to follow the boy down the pathway, which is incredible. This is not easy to do, especially with consistent movement across a 3D space. And this is a long video. Check this out, guys. It keeps going. This is one that I haven't seen before. I kind of just jumped into this because I wanted to react to it with you guys in real time. I thought that would be a little more exciting. Man, this is just so cool. Oh my God, it does kind of get a little more warped and mushy over time, but it's pretty great at maintaining the consistency of the character. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to provide all the necessary information for you guys so you can delve deeper if you want to. At this stage in the video, I want to start discussing the broader perspective. First up, what will be OpenAI's reaction to something like this? Do they see it as a threat? I don't think they'll perceive it as a threat just yet, but once people start gaining access to video generators of this quality that can compete with SORA, everyone will be pushing OpenAI to say, hey, where's our SORA access? You said we would get access to it this year. The fact that Chinese developers are at this level, which is pretty much SORA quality, and Google already has their video generator that is quite competitive with SORA and this video generator as well, raises the question, how far behind is open source? Because once open source catches up, OpenAI essentially has no more cards to play. They would have to release SORA. I'm waiting for something that is open source and nearly as good as this, because that is really what's going to push OpenAI. But I have a feeling that we are only a few months, maybe a month or two, away from that, which is exciting. I'm ready for these new video generators. I know that there is a great possibility of harm and danger with technology that is this powerful. But anything that can do major good also has the potential to do major harm, and we've seen this with technology throughout human history. Here's a sleepy little golden retriever on a nice couch. I do love all of these video generations. they chose some great examples. What do you guys think about this? A lot of the community is trying to pry at OpenAI, asking, hey, when is SORA releasing? Even SORA is trending on Twitter today. I think OpenAI is going to be releasing their voice and vision update with ChatGPT, making it more like a very realistic assistant, much sooner than we'll see SORA. But hopefully, competition like this, especially high-quality video generators from the likes of China, will kind of scare OpenAI a bit into thinking, okay, maybe we should get SORA out the door a little bit sooner than we'd like. OpenAI likes to take their time and sit on things, but of course we, the consumers and AI enthusiasts, want that access immediately. What is your use case going to be for this? I want to create my little short films. I want to get creative with this thing, maybe use it as a B-roll in my YouTube videos as an extra editing piece. I think that would be cool. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to be part of the top AI tech family. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.